Okay, so welcome everybody. I hope this is going to be really fun and we're going to learn a ton. And I have prepared like a really brief intro just to get us going. So this is Unfold in Julia workshop. We actually have like a little Easter egg here. So not only is Bene presenting all of the stuff here, but we also have Olaf, who is another originator of the Unfold Toolbox in our meeting. So hi, Olaf. Thank you for joining us. We're very happy that you're here too. Okay. So, who are the people who organized this workshop, or who you're going to see today? Well, the first person you have to put up with is me. I'm seeing you from the University of Birmingham, the Center for Human Brain Health, but I'm really not that important. I'm just clicking buttons today. The people doing the actual work are those people here. This is Bene and his lab. So you have Bene, Judith, René. I don't actually don't I is it Jeffrey? Yes, okay. Martin and Vladimir. And you can see what they're going to be doing. Bene, Judith, and René are going to give talks today. And I'm going to show you the program in a second. Maybe you've already seen it on the website, which, by the way, has been made perfectly by Judith and René. So thank you so much for doing all of that. All right. Who do we have in our meeting, or at least like who did we have sign up? Oh, yes. So here are our wonderful presenters today. And tutors. Okay. Who are you? You are from all kinds of places in the world. Thank you for giving us that information. We're really happy that you're here, just admitting more people. And as you can see, a lot of people are from Germany, the UK, and the US, but we really have people from all kinds of places. And we're very happy that that is the case. Hopefully, there will be more people from more places in all those different time zones too, watching us maybe after the fact on YouTube, which we're making possible. All right. We have asked you about your coding experience, and I know at least one person lied about it. Someone who is definitely not a noob said they're a noob. So we have everything from noob to wizards. Very few noobs, very few wizards, and a lot of people in between. And thank you for giving us that information ahead of time. That has allowed our people preparing all the materials to calibrate accordingly. All right, we've also asked you whether you've used Unfold before, and really most people haven't. So we're really excited to, share the magic with you. All right. Without further ado, this was the welcome, and we might be able to start not too late. I think one more point here. So you see there's a bunch of things happening. We have regular breaks. But every single one of these content sections actually will be also including a little bit of a practical thing where you do some little assignments. And during those assignments, I would like you to follow this chart. If you have a problem, think about whether you're comfortable asking that in public. If you are not, you can message me in the chat privately, ask your question, and then I'm going to decide what to do about it. You can also, if you are comfortable, just post in the chat to everybody, and then I'm also going to make a decision about it. So either I'm going to get somebody's attention to say, hey, can you quickly answer this? And we're going to explain it live if this is relevant to everybody. Or I might say, oh, actually, can you put this on GitHub? And we'll answer it there later. Or if it does require that somebody just works with you real quick to make sure that you don't get lost because there's an issue, we can like either answer it in the chat or I can move you to a breakout room. We're going to have this up during all the exercises so that you know what needs to happen. Good? All right. Okay. Then I think we're ready to go. And I'm going to hand it to Bene.